Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. Actually not, we're at my setup again. Sorry guys, 2 videos back to back. I was supposed to give you guys a E36 brake install video today. Yeah, that didn't go too well. You guys will see in the next video, if you guys watch that video, that things didn't go as planned. Well, actually everything went as planned except what we didn't plan. Yeah, that sounded very, very weird, but anyways, it was weird. So everything went good on the install, and then we didn't. I think the part that was sent was faulty, and the bleed screw stripped as we were trying to loosen it, which either the factory over-torqued it, or they just installed a really, really cheap bleed screw, which it shouldn't strip. We used the ratchet that was this long. And anyways, so in today's video, we'll get the E36 out of the way. In today's video, I think you guys will enjoy this. This is going to be a pure audio sound of my Volvo S60R. So the car in the video is, like you guys know, my S60R. It has a full custom Eurosport exhaust that was done here in Montreal back when the company was still operating. And it also has a 3-inch downpipe to the full custom exhaust. This is back when the car was fully stock, so everything that you guys hear except for exhaust and downpipe, the car was completely stock. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy that. It's definitely gonna be a fun video, and if you guys do have headphones, please put them on. You guys will not regret it. Alright, so like usual, before the video starts, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, it's time for the video. Enjoy.